the absolute value of the number is its distance from 0. Absolute value of the number is its distance from 0. For any x, this is the sign for absolute value. This is the sign for writing absolute value. If you write x like this means this is absolute value. Is defined as x absolute is equals to x if x is greater than 0, and x absolute is minus x if s is less than 0. Let me explain it. If x is here at 4, x absolute will be 4. X absolute will be 4 because the distance from 0 to 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why x absolute is 4. And the other side, if we write minus, here the point. How much is the distance? 1, 2, 3, 4. So x absolute will be also 4 here. Here x absolute
So I
is
don't
also
understand.
4. Hmm?
I don't understand.
This is x absolute. Absolute means the distance from 0. Okay, what will be the absolute value at this point? How much is the distance from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same at this
5.
point, what will be the absolute? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x absolute will be 5 here. Now understand? Again read, the absolute value of the number is its distance from 0. Absolute value is the number, its distance from 0. For example, what is the x absolute at this point? At 7. Here at this point, what is the absolute? How many digits move from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here, what is the x absolute? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is x absolute. Absolute value is the distance of value from 0. Understand? Okay, now we will come towards our regular lesson. What is the lesson today? Today's lesson is page number 257, 255. And the topic is interior angles. Topic is interior angles, and the exercise will be interior and exterior angles. Exercise is 15B. Exercise 15B. Interior means the angles which is inside the diagram. The angles which are inside the diagram. For example, if I draw a triangle, this is a triangle. Inside, these are the angles. These are the angles inside the triangle. These are the angles inside the triangle. So these are called interior angles. These are called what? Interior angles. P,
Interior angle.
Q, and R. The angles inside the diagram are called interior angles. For example, one more diagram, if I draw. So this is V, interior angle. U, these are the names only. All the angles inside the diagram. So that's why we will say that these are the interior angles. So we can say that the angles enclosed by the side of the polygon are interior angles. For example, PQR are the interior angles. In the second diagram, U, V, W, X all are the interior angles. So just keep in your mind the angles enclosed in the diagram, inside the diagram are called interior angles. Interior angles. Now we will come towards the exterior angle. Exterior. Exterior mean outside. Exterior mean outside. The angles outside the diagram. This is little bit more interesting to understand it. For example, this is a diagram. And here we will make, this is interior angle with red. I am drawing interior angle. These are the interior angles, okay? With red, I am drawing, these are the interior angles. And with green, oh, this all green, should be black. This black is exterior angle. Angle which is outside the diagram. Angle which is outside the diagram. This is what? Exterior angle. Is it clear? And this red is
Yes.
interior angle.
Angle.
For example, now I will make a more diagram. This is what? What is the name of this diagram?
Pentagon.
1, 2, 3,
Interior.
4, 5.
Interior.
Huh?
Interior.
Pentagon.
Interior angle.
Pentagon.
This is pentagon. What should I say to you? Should I say to you something like donkey or monkey? No. You are intelligent boy, but be careful.
Sorry.
Okay, pentagon.
Okay.
This is what? Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Double.
Okay, now what will be the, I will draw these angles. What is the name of these angles which I am drawing with red?
This is interior angle.
They are interior angles. Okay. Now, if I draw this angle with green,
External angle.
this is exterior. With green, I am drawing. This is exterior angle. This is what? Exterior angles. Understand? These green angles are exterior angles.
Yes, very easy.
And the red ones are the interior angles. Okay, now come to the exercise. Exercise 15B. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle?
3.
This is a triangle.
Yes.
Okay. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. Sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Always. This will be always 180 degrees. Huh?
This question number 1 or?
This question number 1.
Okay.
Always the sum of interior angles of a triangle. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. This is rule, keep in your mind. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. For example, if it is a triangle, what will be the sum of this triangle? Sum of interior angles of this triangle will be
100. No, no,
180. 180. This is also triangle. This is also triangle. Sum will be 180. For all three, sum will be 180. Understand? Sum of interior
Yes,
angles
but it
of
means
a triangle is 180 degrees always.
always, Mr. The interior angles all are 180.
Yes.
No one different.
180 in triangle. In triangle.
Only triangle. Okay.
Okay, now question number 2. What is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means 4 sides. Quadrilateral means 4 sides. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 because this 90, 90, 90 and 90. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay. Again, sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees always. For triangle, 180. For quadrilateral, 360.
360.
Can you remember this?
Yes.
For triangle,
Yes.
180 degrees sum. Sum mean total.
Yes.
And the sum or total of the interior angles is always 360 in quadrilateral. Okay, now question number 3. In the triangle ABC, the size of each marked angle, the sum of the interior angles we need to find. Okay, first I'll draw this diagram.
This is a triangle.
This is a triangle. What do you feel?
180. Yeah.
This is 80 degrees. This is X. This is 45.
Mr. 55. 55 degree, Mr.
What 55 degrees?
No.
No,
Eight
Mr.
plus-
55.
Yes, 55.
What you want?
Moment. Okay.
What you are asking?
I say I thought that 80 here and here 45 and X is
125.
like this.
Okay, B, A, and this point is C. Okay, now tell me what will be the value of X?
The value of X 100. No.
I know, a minute.
Value of X will be what? I tell you, sum of
27.5, Mr. 27.5.
55.
Mr. 27.5 and Q 27.5.
this clap for Karam because
55.
he is the new mathematician in our class, which is speaking what he don't know. He himself don't know what he is speaking. He is very intelligent. and new
I know,
mathematician
Mr.
in the
Online
class.
speak.
And also he is more than intelligent from the
يا
teacher.
الله والله
He is not allowing the teacher to
يا اخي
speak.
اجيب لك احمد السديري.
Clap for
Mr.
Karan.
Yes, you are correct.
Mr. I know, but you don't understand me.
يا اخي
I know.
اتوقع احمد الشقيري اللي قال ما ادري
أنت
انه هو ما
اسكت.
يعرف ايش جالس يقول.
Man, man.
Now the question
كذا
is,
شغال
listen me.
الجبهة.
Listen me, otherwise I'll mute all of you.
Yes, sir.
This is the sum of these three will be 180 degrees. Sum of these three will be 180 degrees. So what will be the value of x? X will be 180
Okay.
minus 80 minus 45. Right or wrong?
Yes, right.
Right,
So
right. Yes.
that will be 60. That will be what? 180 minus 80 minus 45.
65.
So what it will be?
60 or 65, yes.
No one have
60.
calculator.
55, 55.
I have, Mr.
55,
I say
55.
55 from the first. Mr.
55, Mr. 55. 55.
180
55.
minus.
X
Yeah,
is
Mr. I'm saying for 100 years.
Yes, 55.
Mr. This
Karan, if you will not be, if you will not stop talking, I will mute you or remove you. Because if you say something, it doesn't mean everyone should stop talking. If they don't know, I have to explain. This is my responsibility. If you know everything, happily you can leave the class. But this kind of behavior is very bad.
He leave, Mr.
Good. This kind of behavior, if he know
Yeah,
anything, it means we should stop talking everyone.
Yes, Mister.
Mr.
We
What
want
happened?
also to understand, not only him want to understand.
What happened, Mr.?
He
So
leave
now,
Huh?
now X is 55. Now we need to find P, Q, and R. What will be the value of P? Look, from here, listen me carefully. From here to here, half circle, 180 degrees. From here to here, 180 degrees. This blue line is 180 degrees, right? This blue line is half circle, 180 degrees. So from this black line, this is 80 degrees. So what will be this one? Total is 180.
100.
Total is 180.
100.
So P will be 100.
100.
100.
Clear for everyone?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
So, Mister, the answer is 155 degree.
P is equals to 100 degrees. E is equals to 100 degrees. Now Q. From here to here, this is 55. The total is 180. This total is 180. This green or X is 55. What will be the Q?
125.
125. So Q is equals to 125. Now, anyone can tell me what will be the value of R?
R
125.
180 minus 45. It will be
okay, Mister. Yes, yes, I will.
135.
100.
Oh, easy.
135.
Yes, Mister. We need calculator. Yes, yes. Okay.
You can use calculator.
No. Okay. We will use.
Clear for everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I am also recording the video. This video will be on in your lesson. You can listen it again if you feel any problem later.
Mister, they will record all the class, Mister, and they will upload it.
Question number 4. ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the size of each marked angle, sum of the exterior angles also. Okay, now first I will draw the line. No, one thing is missing in the previous question. Here we find out A, B, C, D, all, X, value of P, value of R, Q, all. But B, option B, we didn't solve. Option B is the sum of exterior
Okay.
angles. Sum of exterior angles. What are the exterior angles? P, Q, R. P, Q, R. These are the exterior angles. These are the
Yes.
exterior angles. So what is the sum? 100 plus 125 plus 130.
Plus 134. Yeah,
Okay, what will be the answer? It should be 360, I think.
224.
Yes, 360.
Oh, Mister, I will calculate it.
350.
360. Okay. Now come to B. Question number 4. Question number 4. This is a parallelogram. We have. Now this is W. This angle is 120. This is 60. This angle is Y. This angle is X. And these we have, and the remaining we need to find out. Okay. Now, anyone can tell me what is the value of
Yes.
Y?
Y, okay. 60 plus 120. Okay, Mister, I'll calculate it.
Yeah, 120.
From here to here, all 180. This is 60.
180.
And 180 minus 60 is for
180. This is equal.
120.
From here to here, all 180. So minus 60, this will be 120. Okay, what will be the Z? From here to here,
What
this
was
is
that?
120. What will be the next? 60.
60.
Yes. 60 here.
Okay.
Yes.
As I tell you, the quadrilateral sum of interior angles for the quadrilateral is 360. Sum of the interior angles for the quadrilateral is 360. So if it is 120, the opposite angle for the quadrilateral is, this will be 60. This is rule. In the parallel lines, all the angles are same. So if it is 60, this will be 60. This 60 is given, this will be 60. This is rule. Okay. Same rule, this will be 120. 120. If we add these all, it will be 360. 120 plus 120 plus 60 plus 60. You will see that 360. In question number 2, I tell you, sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Right?
Yes, Mister. Yes.
Okay. Now, tell me the value of W.
Okay, Mister. 60 plus.
Value of W.
120.
Okay, same.
120.
20.
120.
180.
How 180?
because
180
it's
is total.
quadratic.
From here to here, 180 is total. So how it can be W will be 180? This will be 120. If it is 120 from here to here, what will be the value of X?
120. Oh, from here to
Now sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles will be 120, 120, 60, 120, and this is not 120, this is 60.
60.
Okay, what is the sum?
360.
120.
Sum of
360, yes.
exterior angle. Sum of exterior angle is 360. Look here, sum of exterior angle of triangle is 360. Sum of exterior angle of quadrilateral or parallelogram is 360 also.
Okay, here, isn't it?
Okay.